Okay, we're now live on YouTube. Mr. Robertoli, can you raise your right hand for me? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Thank you. Put your hand down.
I want to sleep with my person.
Is your name Peter Robertali?
Yes, it is.
Are you the same Peter Robertali who in this cause number 2024 CC 736-975 is charged with the offense of criminal trespass? Is that you?
Yes, it is.
This case is a Class B misdemeanor, and it's possible in your case you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $2,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
I understand. Yes.
In front of me on my screen now is a document entitled, oh, and I need to share my screen 1 minute. Okay. There's a document in front of me on my screen entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you have signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. We don't have to do this in open court. Is that correct?
Yes.
I'm looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. You have signed it and your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Yes.
And do you understand it?
Yes.
Hold on, let me sign this document.
That's why I need to get a little bit of time on this one.
Are you a citizen of the United States?
You know what I mean? I can't do that.
Yes.
I'm now looking at a document on my screen that's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. And you have signed it, your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, what you did was you told me, Judge, I understand that my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor. If you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, I understand.
So then, to the offense of criminal trespass, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Okay, hold on. And you understand that on a plea of no contest, the court can still find you guilty.
Yes, I do.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No, they haven't.
Besides the plea bargain that your lawyer got for you, has anyone promised you anything in order to get you to enter this plea?
No, they haven't.
Are you doing this plea of your own free will?
Yes, I am.
Is there a plea bargain? Could I ask the state police decided that there is?
No.
Yes, Your Honor. It is a $0 fine. Court costs 180 days in the Bexar County Jail. Credit for time served, time and money to earn concurrent, and we ask that the judgment be satisfied.
That you understand the plea bargain?
Judge, I didn't know it was 180 days. That's the maximum. I would just ask that. I knew it was a JSF. If you just give them something less than 180, because that's really not even a plea bargain.
But if it's JSAT, it doesn't matter, does it?
Well, it's appearances.
Okay. Well, I'm going to
I
send
would
it
just
to you
ask
to
for
100.
100 days.
Do you have any problem with that, Mr. Alford?
No.
Thank you.
All right.
Appreciate
it. Okay, you get a discount for coming in and helping us out today.
Thanks.
Do you agree to this, sir? Mr. Robertali, do you agree to this?
Yes, I do.
And Mr. Robertali, the court having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I followed the plea bargain. I sent you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sent you to 100 days in the Bexar County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money run concurrent. The judgment is satisfied. If this is the only case holding you, then you should be released sometime today. All right? Good luck to you, sir. Tell the deputies you're finished with your case. And Karen, you got one more to do, so don't leave.
Yes, sir. I'm here.
Okay, thank you.
See.
Good luck, sir.
Okay. And then the next one is going to be who?
Layton.
Light. Okay, Mr. Light, can you raise your right hand for me? You swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes.
Put your hand down, sir. I'm about to share my screen with you. I'm going to ask you to get close enough to the screen so you can see it, okay?
Yes, sir.
Is your name John Light?
Pardon me?
Is your name John Light?
Litton, yes, sir.
Litton, okay. Are you the same John Litton with this cause number 730-984 who's charged with the offense of unlawfully carrying a weapon? And Abba, can you change the spelling on that to show carrying instead of carrying?
Yes, Judge, no problem.
Sorry.
Unlawfully carrying a weapon, sir, is a Class A misdemeanor, and it's possible in this case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, there's a fine of anywhere from $0 to $4,000. Do you understand what you're charged with, what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes, sir.
Looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed this
Yes.
document, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. We don't have to do it in open court. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights, and you have signed it and your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes.
Did your attorney explain it to you?
Yes, you did.
And do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, hold on, let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
I'm looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You've signed it, your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, what you did in effect was tell me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
So then, to the offense of unlawfully carrying a weapon, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
1 minute. You understand that on a plea of no contest, the court can still find you guilty.
Yes, sir.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No, sir.
Besides the plea bargain that your lawyer got for you, besides that, apart from that, has somebody promised you something in order to get you to do this?
No.
Are you doing this plea of your own free will?
Yes, sir.
Is there a plea bargain? Could I ask the state police society if there is?
Yes, Your Honor. It's a $0 fine. Court costs 169 days in the Bexar County Jail. Credit for time served, time and money to earn concurrent, and we ask that the judgment be satisfied.
And that you understand the plea bargain is perfect?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you agree to this, Mr. Litton?
Yes.
Mr. Litton, do you agree to this plea bargain?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then the court having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sent you to $0 fine plus court costs. I sent you to 169 days in the Bexar County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent. The judgment is satisfied. Do you know if this is the only case holding you, client, Ms. Kirby?
I believe so, Judge.
If this is the only case holding you, sir, then you should be released sometime today. Tell the deputies that we're finished with your case. Ms. Kirby, thank you for helping us out today. You can be excused.
Well, thank you all very much. Mr. Litton, make sure you go see your probation officer on your felony. Thank you, Your Honor. Okay, bye-bye. Thanks, everybody. Thanks, everybody.
Okay, Mr. Froelich
Bye-bye.
is waiting in the wings, and I got to hear some special words. Special words from somebody. Turn off YouTube. All right.